Hey beautiful babes, it's your girl Nikki here to educate you on all things beauty. Today I'm going to show you how to apply eyeliner on hooded eyes. So if this is a video you know you need to watch to learn how to properly apply eyeliner, be sure to watch this video. If you are new here to my channel, be sure to click subscribe, click on the notification bell so you are notified of all the new videos that will launch on every Sunday, 2 p.m. Central. By clicking that notification bell, it just helps you not miss out on those videos. Then, if this is not your first time being here, thank you so much and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you, each and every one of you here. Grab your makeup bag and your eyeliner and let's get started. As a beauty educator, creating content to help you feel beautiful with or without makeup by me bringing to you my beauty experience over the years each and every week so you can help level up your beauty experience as well. Comment below if you struggle with applying eyeliner if you have hooded eyes. You're not alone. As hooded eyes, it tends to either make our eyes look more closed, or if you're trying to do a cat eye line style, it makes it disappear into your crease. So how do you know if you have hooded eyes? If you haven't watched it, go back and watch my video, how to apply eyeshadow for hooded eyes. And there it tells you a few statements on if you have hooded eyes, but also have a few statements to tell you when it comes to eyeliner for hooded eyes. So if you answer yes to most of these, then more than likely you have hooded eyes. Especially when it comes to eyeliner, maybe you try to do the cat eye lining style, but it just doesn't work out for you. It either ruins or it just disappears in your crease, or maybe you feel like you don't have enough space to work with your eyeshadow and your eyeliner. It like just all runs together, and like your eyeliner, you apply it too thick and then it's like you don't have anything in your lid, right? Or when you finish your winged eyeliner, you look in front in the mirror and you realize that your eyeliner looks like it has fallen a little bit. So you might have hooded and downturned eyes. Or maybe you apply your eyeliner and you don't let it set, especially if you're using liquid eyeliner and you don't let it set long enough. You open your eyes just normal and it ruins your eyeshadow because it's touching up here higher. You feel like you don't have enough space to work with your eyeliner and your eyeshadow, then more than likely you have hooded eyes. Okay, so when it comes to applying eyeliner for hooded eyes, if you're gonna use a liquid eyeliner, be sure to use one that is waterproof, especially since we have hooded eyes, so it won't ruin the rest of your makeup and it will stay in place all day. And then when it comes to a liquid eyelining pen, make sure it's like felt and only the tip of your eyeliner moves, not the entire brush. You just want the tip of it. And then when it comes to lining your eye as a wing, you don't want to go up all the way up here because it's just going to hide. It's just going to be hidden by when this skin folds back down. Another thing is when you're applying eyeliner, start up here, like an upward motion. Try not to do it, and it's hard, so it's going to be something that you have to perfect, but try not to like have your brush or your pencil at a downward angle. You want to try to work with it in an upward angle, okay? And it's hard when you are working on the opposite eye, and you want to also keep it as tight to your lash line as possible because you want to create a really thin line. You don't want to go too bold or it's going to cover up your beautiful eyeshadow work that you've worked on. And you don't want to, and if you have downward turned eyes like me, you don't want to go too far down. And remember, you just start like you normally start here and go up in this way. Well, we're going to start a little bit more towards the, not towards the inner of your eye, but you're going to go a little bit closer to 3/4 of your eye if you have downward turn eyes. And then also, if you struggle with your skin kind of being loose, don't like pull it, but just like hold it, okay? And another thing is, if you feel like your pen or your pencil's not working, maybe first draw it on your hand if it's liquid to just get everything flowing. Or if it's a pencil, a retractable pencil, I encourage you to draw it on the back of your hand to like heat it up, like warm it up to your body temperature, so it will go on smoother, okay? And you notice I'm going to like fine strokes because one, it is waterproof, but I want to make sure I'm just getting as close to that line as possible. And then you can go a little thicker out here. See how it's out there, but it kind of like hides. That is with the liquid waterproof eyeliner. If you feel like you need to have liquid eyeliner, that's what I would do, just like that. But honestly, for us people that have hooded eyes, I encourage you to use a smudger brush or eye detail brush. Take black is really harsh on hooded eyes, so take like a deep brown and just smudge it out a little bit to soften liquid eyeliner look. You want it to be as subtle. For hooded eyes, you want it to be subtle, not like bam in your face. Because remember, we're trying to create an illusion of not having hooded eyes by having a nice lid and then a definition, a fake crease. And then what I like to do is take either, this is in the limited edition eyeshadow brushes that we have. I like to take and go right through here with this. It's so nice and pointy and very defined. And I just go, and you notice I'm moving my eyelashes. I just go in there in the eyelashes. Because yes, even with hooded eyes, we still need eyeliner, because in between each eyelash is a very small space, and if you put eyeliner on, it's going to help make your eyelashes look fuller and bigger. Okay, now I do take a black pencil or brown and do down here underneath the lashes. Like if you don't do above the lashes, this is really recommended too. And I'm not going all the way down because I don't want my eyes to turn down. When you apply eyeliner, be sure to always, so if you're going to do the bottom, make sure you always do the top. Because if you only do the bottom on your eyeliner, it's going to make your eyes look closed. And that's not what we're going for. We're going for opened eyes. So if you only did the bottom, it'd make your eyes look more closed off. If you did the bottom and the top, it makes your eyes look open more, okay? I personally don't wear eyeliner on the bottom or mascara just because my eyelashes are so long and my cheekbones and the under eye area is just like all like up. My eyelashes, even if I wear waterproof, when they touch down here under my eye. So that's why I personally do not wear mascara on or eyeliner at the bottom. Now I'm going to go and apply mascara. Applying mascara, and well, prior to that, I'm going to use this lash primer. It's just like a protective coating for your eyelashes, and it helps your mascara not clump up, but it also makes your eyelashes stay curled. Now I'm going to go in with a coat of Ultimate Mascara in black, and I'm just wiggling it at the base and then lifting up. Okay, really quick, fun question for you. How many applications of mascara does most women need? Comment below. So that is just with one coat of lash primer, Ultimate Mascara, and I'm going to go back with waterproof mascara just because my eyes water constantly, and you can do this with any mascara. So if you have a mascara that you love the volume and the length in your lashes, but it doesn't come in waterproof, get a waterproof mascara and apply it after your favorite mascara. And you notice that I got a little bit of mascara up there. So with our mascara, and this one is Lash Love waterproof, you just let it set, let it dry, and I'll show you how to get it off in just a minute. And another thing to do is before you apply mascara or primer, I encourage you to curl your eyelashes then. I don't have my eyelash curler in here, or I would. Now that I think it's dried long enough, it's dried, I'm going to take like a clean doe foot applicator. And I'm just going to, or you could use a Q-tip. And just, you can just see what I did. I just placed it and then I twisted and it just cleaned it right up. Or if it's a really big mess, like down here below, like right there, you could take a little bit of our oil-free eye makeup remover and clean it up right there, okay? Now I'm gonna go style my hair. Now that was really fun, creating an eyeliner look for hooded eyes. So when you go create this look, tag me on Instagram at Nikki D. Greer. I know this will really help you out. Remember, focus on doing looks that make you feel beautiful and confident. Starting off with the classic look is a great way to start, and then once you get that perfected, move on to a trendier look. But always remember, trends come and go, but a classic look is always there for you. Be sure to come back Sunday at 2 p.m. Central. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. Till next time, I want you to remember that you are beautiful inside and out.